Okay guys, my phone was on 2%, but we're gonna do the blue slime now. And we use this, and for this slime, and it's the blue slime. And there's a little charm in there. And it looks like cute. So this is the slime. Oh god, I can't even, it's so sticky. It doesn't stick to any surfaces with my hands, and yeah. So that's what we're doing. Oh my god, this. Okay, now it's time for this slime. Oh yeah, and I use these foam beads for that one. And I accidentally left it in the fridge for too long. Well, I accidentally left it in the fridge because I just came back from the Barbie movie. There was a lot of crying though. Barbie just kept crying. Oh, did I get anything in there? No. Now, I think I can make a bubble. Later. I think that would go good. Okay, now that. Oh gosh, this thumb's breaking. Slime's breaking, people. Now, it's gonna be like this, and then that, and you just have to do this. I can't do it. And we're going to be doing that, this, that, this. Got no holes in there, no holes. Oh, little charm went in there. And this is it. I don't think it's that good though. I don't know if you guys got a good look at it, but it's a big bubble. Honestly, I'm horrible at making slimes. And this was just a store-bought slime that they told me to add water. So yeah, I can, no. And this is the try to be mixed slime. I put some purple in there and now some blue, but the purple's just taking over because there's not enough blue. I showed you guys the pink slime. I just want to make this video about the blue slime. You know, you look like a sea. And actually, you have a charm there, so every other slime is going to have one. Now, we're going to add to the pink one, we're going to add the little doggy, the pink, hot pink doggy. Now we're just going to have to mix them in there. And now, you just do that, this, that. Yay. I should make a bubble out of this one. It's a stringy texture and it's really soft. It feels like a cotton candy cloud. And that's the pink one. Now, we're going to have to take this charm out because just get out of here. Okay. Did I always make the blue slimes just sticky? So I'm going to have to shake this one away. So this is the purple slime. You know, we all love her. We all want to be her. And we're putting the star in her. Because she's a star. She is an actual star. Oh, I got some blue in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it was all over my hands. Because of somebody calling me or somebody. Now, we got the pink one. Oh yeah, I already added that pink charm. Now we have to go to the blue one, which I think I was just touching. And look. And I want to see in the comments, some people are asking, like, what video are you going to see next? Or just like suggesting a video. Oh, and I was just making store-bought slime. So, and there's some slime still in the bucket. So, I think we can remake these slimes.